Today we are going to discuss the importance of mathematics. First, I tell you one question, why do you study maths? Then in mind you get several questions. To understand financial matter, to calculate phone bill, to calculate your phone bill or mobile bill, or to calculate how much money your father has saved for you, or to only pass in exam. If you study the maths for such reason, then don't need to study the maths, don't need to study your classes, don't attend your lectures, because this can be done outside also. But to become a successful engineer, to become a successful engineer, to become a successful bachelor, or to become a successful any graduate or master degree, need to study the engineering mathematics. To become, again I repeat, to become a successful engineer or to become a successful graduate, need to study the engineering mathematics. For that you have to become a successful in lives. Now first I discuss the gems for successful in life. Then first is self knowledge is essential. Many people talk continuously about others all the time. They forgot who they are in reality. You should know your strength and your weakness. Only then you will realize your risk factor and your opportunities. Then after your 10th standard and 11th standard you have to select the field, but the selection of the field is only 49%. Most of the student want to enter the field which has the great demand in the market. It is a important but less than 50%. It is a important but less than 50%. If you choose the field, then if you only pass, then it is not necessary, it is not useful. लेकिन अगर हमें उसमें एक्सलेंस आपको दिखाना है, मीन्स एक्सलेंस एंड क्रिएटिविटी इज 51%, दिस इज important than the field of your choice. If you are in very attractive field, but if your quality is poor, you will have no demand. This excellence is possible if you work with, there are total three things: planning, management, problem solving technique is necessary. Means the first you have to, means for any branch or anything you have to, the planning is necessary. Then next thing is management, you have to manage all the things. Then problem solving technique, if any problems regarding, then you have to solve that problem. Then your body is like hardware and your brain is a software given to you by God. Then another important thing is yoga is necessary. The importance of the yoga and pranayam for keeping your software and hardware excellent. They enhance the quality of your performance. Self study is also important. You have to learn to technique of a self studying. Again I repeat, you have to learn the technique of self studying. It is nothing but learning how to learn. Then next important concept is a technology. You are the students of technology. If you improve your quality higher, you can lead the world. Then entrepreneurship, you will not only create the wealth but also employment opportunity for others. Now let us take the one examples. If you know the alphabets, there are the totals 26 alphabet, A B C D up to Z. Then count the number A as 1, B as 2, C as 3 and Z as 26. Then what is the hard work? Hard work you get the 98%. Then knowledge 96%, luck 47%, none of them 100%. Then what makes the 100%? Is it money? No. Is it leadership? No. Every problem has a solution only if we perhaps change your attitude. Attitude gets the 100%. It is therefore our attitude towards the life and work that makes our life 100% successful. This is a amazing mathematics. Then we discuss the importance of mathematics. It is interesting and enjoyable. People like its challenge and its clarity. The solution of the problem has the excitement and the satisfaction. Means if you take the interest in maths, then it becomes enjoyable, and if you solve any problem, then it's like a challenge, and the solution of the problem, then you get the excitement and satisfaction, and then you will get the satisfaction. You will find all these aspects in any university course. Then another importance is it is a science of structure, order and relation. It is about the pattern and structure. It is about the logical analysis, deduction and calculation. Then another importance of the mathematics, the study of mathematics can satisfy the wide range of interests and abilities. It develops the imagination. Your imagination can be developed, and logical thinking is also developed. It trains the clear and logical thoughts. Logical thinking is improved. It is a continuous drive for the simplification, to finding the right concept and the method to make the difficult things easy. Then there are the various application of the mathematics in various field. Every area of mathematics has its own unique applications to different career options. For example, algebra. In algebra, the importance of means applications of the algebra in computer science, the various networking, electrical networks and the physics. Then the calculus, the applications of the calculus in physics, the motions of the water, rocket science, molecular structure, options price modeling in business and economics model. There are the various applications in various application of the mathematics in various field. The students are engaged to give the serious attention to their future. The career world is competitive. Then most important thing is discipline is also important. Self discipline is for your benefit, not for us. It is a tool which makes one impossible things to be a possible. This is an enjoyment without loss. Then if you attend any college, or if you attend the any classes, the regularity is important. Means attendance in a class, attendance in your tutorial, attendance in your means attendance is must. Punctuality, perfections in attendance, timing and answering. Then another important thing is a performance. Your performance is very essential. Self and proper working. Submission, then complete and timely submissions. You have to submit all the assignments, all your homeworks complete and timely submissions. Then presentation, your presentation is also neat. Then let us take the one poems regarding the mathematics. We like the maths not only because it is interesting, we love maths not only because it is beautiful, we adore the maths not only because it is a powerful, we worship maths not only because it is a divine, we appreciate the maths not only because it is a logical, we respect the maths not only because it is a queen of science, we dedicated to maths because it is related to our soul. Maths is our blood veins, our system. We salute the maths. These are the importance of the mathematics. In importance of the mathematics, there are the various types, various criteria. Now you have to see this video again and again, then your aim is clear and you get the means you get the clear in importance of mathematics. Thank you.